This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find your gallery application on your Android phone for your photos and videos if you can't find it. So the easiest way to just find it is go to your camera application. This will always probably be somewhere on your home screen in the bottom right. And then once you have your camera application open up, go to the recent photo. You can see it down here in the bottom right. Now when you bring up the photos, there's going to be an option for your gallery up here. So right next to the star, it's going to be like two little pictures, and it's going to bring you to probably Google Photos if you don't have the gallery app on your phone. But this is Google Photos. It'll allow you to look at your pictures. Otherwise, you can find the Google Photo folder somewhere on your phone, and you should have photos in here somewhere. If you don't, what you can do is just swipe up from the bottom and type in Photos. There's Google Photos. Otherwise, you can type in Gallery. And if you don't see anything that pops up when you type in gallery, well, you probably deleted it from your phone somehow then. So you got gallery right there, gallery right there. We can go to the Google Play Store and just type in gallery under the Google Play Store. And I think the best one is probably Google Photos because there's no ads on that. But just look at the different ratings. Like this one has 4.8 with 500,000 downloads, 4.8 with 10 million downloads. So this one should be pretty good. We can just try installing it right here, and this will allow us to look at our photos. Now if we still can't look at our photos, we can swipe up from the bottom and go to Files. Go to Files right here, and then let's see, allow Google to send you notifications. That's fine. And then let's go on down, and we can go to our internal storage, SD, if we have a different device connected. So if we go to internal storage, we can go to DCIM, and then go to the camera right here, and we can look at different folders, videos and folders, everything through here. So yeah, you got camera, Facebook. Go to camera and you'll be able to look at your photos. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.